Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the web page. So in this video today we're going to learn how to add shapes in Google Docs. Okay, so before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's go on my Google Docs. So here you can see I have already opened my Google Docs, and you can see I use the shape here. So I delete for now to show you again. So just open your Google Docs, and now if you want to add shapes, so go to the insert here and click on drawing option, then click on new tab, then this drawing option will be open. So here you can use the many tools, so several tools you can see here. So if you want to draw shape, you can click on it and you can draw from here. And this you can use this option, polyline or scribble. So in polyline you can just draw like this, you can join the points and you can draw the shape that you want. Or in scribble you can just draw the shape as you draw on with pen on. Okay, so you can see I draw the shape as I draw it by pen. You can see, okay, you can see there is another option which called shape, where you will have the lots of shape. You can see the shapes, arrows, callouts, equation. So here you can choose shapes out of this. So I just choose this one. You select shapes and just draw it where you want. So I choose like this. Okay, the shape has been inserted here. You can add another shape like this and draw it. So this is draw. If you want to send this shape back, just right click on it and you can change the send on back, so it will be goes to back. But if you want to if you want to give, okay, if you want to make it front, so just select the front shape, just right click on it, go to the order and send the back, then back shape will become on front. Okay, you can also change the shape colors like this. Okay, after you all done, you can click on save and colors. Okay, and the shape will be saved on your docs. Now you can resize it. Okay, you can use this option to, you know uh, this option to, move your shape on the text. Okay, so that is how you can use the shapes on Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.